Alright, yo. So, as you can see, they're done for entertainment. Romeich. Sorry, but they have to say that. But, as you can see, yo, Romeich and TJ and Maya had an altercation over the weekend. You see me? So, I have the video them I go show you. And the video when Maya get lit down, and the video when TJ get beat up. However, I don't condone violence. I don't condone none of this activity here. Them done ship here. You see me? Cause Romeich send out him man them to go fight UFC. You see me? And man them tag team TJ and beat up the man. So Romeich come out with a apology. I'm gonna play that too. You have Raja. You have who? No, I'm not really in tune with this Jamaican TikTok people them. You see me? Cause me's a man, bro. Me just like for them by myself. Me not like to mix and mingle with people. I just me that. You see me? No disrespect to nobody. I just me that. Me like for them by myself. You see me? Rebel come out with a video, and the guy named TJ also made a video. You know, I'm gonna play this little snip here and there of the videos so you can see. So me could start off with the two fight that are with TJ and the WrestleMania man them. See me? So if you can't see it you know what, let me close everything else and then we can actually make you see the fight. So hopefully you see it properly. If you want me zoom it up some more or let me big it up some more. Let me big it up some more. I'm gonna black out my face a little bit until. You see me? So boom. When I see the fight. Alright, so this is the fight. It's a 29-second video. So here we go. Alright, so I guess this is Maya right so. Right? This is Maya. So I don't know who this man. I never even lick her or what. But I never see no physical activity between she and the man except she applied up on the man's face. You know this. However, behind Maya is where the action take place.
Maya done! Maya!
No, you can't tell Maya if it done and our man get beat up. Look on TJ move on the ground like one of them monkey there. Over the Philippines, over Africa. Watch it.
Angela beat up TJ. Angela beat up TJ. Maya, what's up? Angela beat up TJ. Robinson, Angela beat up TJ. What's the police? What's the police? Angela.
Alright, so I can go back to. So this hippopotamus, that youth here, allegedly he's a police officer, off duty, police officer. See? Now, we don't know what is what and what take place and what not take place currently. But, based on what me here, hold on, somebody I call. Alright, sorry about that. Right? Now, I could go back. We get a call a while ago, but the offer answer. So this big tumble bug, right? Now, see me I lose track of me I say. Now, allegedly he's supposed to be an off-duty police officer. Now, as a police officer, you should have more sense on that for no say. In a time like this where phone and videoing is so prominent in everywhere you go and everything you do, that should have been the least thing on your mind. Or the last thing on your mind, I should say. If you go fight a next man over an altercation, say the man, tell you if you go suck your mother. Right? And based on what the story say, I only first tell the man if you go suck your mother. Now look here.
Nicky Krumas, TJ get beat up.
Alright, and you hear the person in the background a laugh. I say, TJ get beat up and a laugh. Like my girl, nothing funny about that. Nothing at all not funny about that. And if you think something funny about that, something wrong with you. You see me? Because there's no way, shape or form you can say the man I want to own a friend because the man same thinks I want a friend. You see me? And you can't be friend with the man and I beat up the man and the man woman. Like what kind of waste man business is that, brother? No, this is the video with Maya.
Great long time, I'm here with James, I carry the clock fine. Try see I'm blind.
Now as you can see, this is how she get licked. Wait, let me see.
I'm here with James, I carry
See,
the clock
drop a ground buff breadfruit.
Try see I'm blind, me away my big up.
Now, me not have to play no more of the video really and truly. But however, let me tell you. What happened. You can't expect Maya to see her boyfriend get beat up and just stand up. Unless she a coward. And obviously, she's not. She can fight for her man and fight for what she believe in her. Now, me could put it out there like this. On a fight a man, on a rush a man. Yes, when after the police officer will have a firearm too, but what if TJ had a firearm or knife? Or Maya, just the same. And rush them and them fire shot and slap it all around. Tell me. Them would go court and get away, you know. Them would go court and get away. Self-defense. So when they're losing a life, and could have killed TJ too. One licking at the man head could have killed him. They were not stamping at the man head and them something and lick him. You could have killed the little you dog. And if you be ashamed of yourself, Romeich, if you be ashamed of yourself too. Be ashamed of yourself, dog, because you are gonna come out now with an apology. See me? Alright, yes, let's say you apologize. Okay, fine. Boof. You apologize. But bro, nobody think your apology is sincere. In no way, shape, or form. And we are not God. We can't say your apology is sincere because we are not God. But hold on there. Make you hear what I'm have to say.
But free to have them views and you know it come off for negative reasons as well as because and me do it even worse because I'm a public figure. I mean somebody was supposed to know better. But an idea I'm a human too. I'm gonna make mistakes, I'm gonna do things, I'm gonna do wrong. It's what I do after it. I always come on the live and tell me say, I'm gonna do wrong, I'm gonna do negative, and that's how you fix it. You get me? I say, me not a robot. I'm not perfect. You see me? And again, apologize to TJ, apologize to Marian. I spoken to TJ, talk to TJ family. Night when I talk to TJ. Talk to Maya. And all days let me talk to TJ. Right? There's nothing I can say to make nothing better for the situation at all. So as I say again, anything you want to do with me, go ahead. There's just one thing more I said to you before I go into the whole vibe and something for me to have a better understanding is that my issues and my problems and my mistakes should be mine. We don't need to bring my mother, my picnic, my woman.
Alright, so now personally there's a saying in Jamaica, if I can't catch quack, you catch quack shot. See me? And with that being said, bro, you have to understand say Maya was a part of TJ family when you attack them. See me? And what I don't understand is you have a bunch of people there and a bunch of men. Make we separate the female. But you have a bunch of men in the altercation and no man never have the right mind to say, yo, no bro, may I step into this. Or no man never have the right mind to go hold or go hug up your Maya and push to the next umbre, hug him up and jar him, hug up she and jar away. And say, no, this not gonna happen, brother. You're not gonna fight a woman, you're not gonna lick a woman, brother. You see me? Brother, I don't think the man them are pre things how them supposed to are pre things, bro. It's like the man them not masculine again, brother. The man them not defend the woman them, brother. You watch the woman get licked. I'm here a woman, the first video the woman last TJ get beat up, bro. That not funny. I'm make you hear Romeich have to say again.
Cool off after that big vibe, everybody in them feelings, everybody in them ego, everybody, everything. TJ came, TJ said, Romeich, your friend them style me, nah pussy. And I said, dog, done with that now go on, man. And him say, everything with your friend them style me. I said, dog, easy, I don't know if I wanted the man him, I don't know. Somebody say, yo, go and suck yourself and go on. And him turn on and say, yo, the whole I want to suck on the mama. At that point, you know the ego and everything chip in. And that's our phone video coming now. I want to see everything. Right? At no point would I condone no woman abuse or nothing like that. And again, I'm not defending anything. I'm just telling you my side, which is the right side, and not the only side. And I'm not taking up for nothing. All that I've done, I will say, was wrong. Everything with my team do was wrong. But all of that was done because of me. You see me I say? So me, I stand the beating and the betrayal and the...
Well, him admit to him wrong away, and I guess that up to TJ and Maya if they more, buy into it. But however, based on things that we get over the internet, Maya and TJ, well, Maya said she not accept it. I think TJ said not accept it, and Maya said them dead to her. which you can't really blame her still because, you know, she got traumatized for a while. You see me? She got really traumatized. Especially for the first that happened to her. You understand? But if you tell you the truth, dog, them money are really loose, bro. Like you hear what that little 33. Come in never get the word of them. Come in and see you already know what happened. You see me?
Remember, you said yourself, you know, we're never too old for learn, bro. When somebody apologize, bro, don't ever put in a but. Even though you say you're not find an excuse or you're not trying to justify, when you apologize, just say, yo, really sorry for what happened, and just left it right there, so. Don't say, yo, but we are human and rare, this and that. Because now people are going to say, yo, whether or not you tell people them say you try justify or not, they're going to have it that way, bro.
You make a solid point there. If you go apologize to something, just apologize. If you go apologize, just apologize. Just say, yo, listen, I apologize from, like, me sincerely apologize. And there was something me want to happen. We ego get the best away. If there's any way me can fix this, when they make me know. Yeah, the but, that don't make sense, bro, because you already admit here. You see me? So, Rebel come out and Rebel say, yo, people are bash Rebel and I say, yo, Rebel know about it and this and this and that. People are beat up Swissly. I say Swissly a faggot. Swissly them not real and all of that. You see me? Make me hear what Rebel have to say.
Nobody can ask me why Romeich do that. I don't know. Wanna ask me? Wanna ask me who I laugh, who did I laugh, who don't know which part me there? I wanna blame me. I don't know if I reach out to TJ or not. I did reach out to TJ.
Alright, so make a pause it. So basically people are say she know what happened, she a laugh and all them something to say. Now I don't think Rebel want her own party to get the ending like what you get. So not saying me a defender or whatever. Me don't know none of them people. You see me? Me never watch them content yet. You see, I lie, Rebel. I say Rebel pop up on me feed, a dance, and I stop dancing when I did in high school. I don't like college. So I don't like me did, you know, that when the rum challenge, the craft rum challenge dance for sure. That was the last time Mr. Rebel pop up on me thing. So I don't feel like say me a defender or nothing. But however, I don't think the little girl would have want to know say our party I keep and the ending we get are the last thing that's what people are gonna talk about. No, she want her party for done and people are say, yo, Rebel party did chat, you know. Rebel did look good, you know. The event did well put together, you know. You see me? I think she want if you say, yo, Rebel party make them beat up TJ. You see me? So when I don't see Rebel in the video, I didn't see Rebel in the video them. I don't know how Rebel the girl that me here, I don't think that was Rebel at all. You see me? We are laugh. I don't think that was Rebel. And I can't ask Rebel like, yo, why I'm do that to TJ or whatever. How she gonna know that, brother? How she if you know that? But one thing I realize, bro, with TikTok, bro, is that everybody have their own thing for sale. Like everybody want to jump in people's business and everybody think them know what happened and them know what happened after. Like, bro, a lot of people business, brother. Make TJ and Romeich fix that. We can only give our opinion. You can give your opinion, and that's good. But someone will come out and make some statement like, "Oh no, they did it. Oh no, see what happened. Oh no, when no found never did it." I see people come from foreign. I talk like them they did it. No, you never did it. Someone don't have visa for go back to Jamaica. I don't stop talk like someone they did it. See me? Stop blame the little girl. She not dumb. Me not think she dumb. Me not think she that dumb. If you know say alright, then my party I go keep. My party done pan a banger. Hey, I wanna go fight TJ. Romeich come out and him tell you say, yo, here a man tell a man for suck them mother, man turn back around tell for suck him mother, and the rest of the argument stem from. We can leave it at that. We don't have to go over the blood clot bridge and the mountain and the hill and the valley. We can leave it at that. You see me? However, these are my 2 cents now. You see me? I'm not gonna play Raja cause no, we're not play Raja. Anyway, these are my 2 cents. I'm gonna say this and call it a day. Romeich, you're wrong. As a big name like Romeich in the entertainment business, cause we cannot deny that Romeich have done a lot of good things. Now go sit down here and bash him. He do a lot of good things. All who want to call him leash, All who want call him opportunist, fine. See me? However, TJ, you have to know if you read a room. You have to know when people fuck with you and when people don't fuck with you. You see me? That's the main thing. People put out a video with Swissley, say a Swissley are going like him the cinnamon and whatever, bro. I saw it go. See me? I saw it go. You have the platform now, utilize it. You don't have to deal with people, bro. You see me? You don't have to dare on them. You don't have to arms and gloves them or heal them or whatever when you see them. You stick to yourself. See me? The people that come around, pray to God and hope to them genuine. Or not for do over the board stuff for them or for make them prove to you so them genuine. Because people true color go show. Like Romeich. You see me? So I hope you can read the room when you're there among some people and see who really and truly fuck with you from who no fuck with you. You see me? You have to know how to analyze that. Now Romeich, like I said, you're a big man of the thing. People look up to you. Like TJ said, look up to you. He aspire to be like you one day. Or something close to what you are. This is not a good example for set for people, young promoters and young business owners. You understand? Because, like I said, you have a huge name. I'm not going to sit down here and go on like saying you do good for people. You do good for people. But you also do bad to people. You see me? And we're not going to pretend and we're not going to act like say you do good for people. You do good for people, dog. However, what you did, you were wrong. I hope you can mend everything back together. I hope you can come to an understanding. I hope you can make bygones be bygones and no animosity and no revenge and vengeance not seek out. I hope you can become a better person, dog. But with all that said, bro, I hope God fix on the problem. Romeich, like I say, you're a big man. You should have know better. Jumpy friend them should have know better. Because anything them do, once you did it and them go do something, a youth go fall back pan energy. A youth go fall back pan. Them gonna call you the Dan because you have the money and you have the accolades and you have everything to represent a Dan. The money, the car, the businesses, all that type of stuff. The name. So remember that, dog. TJ, hope you and Maya can come back together. Get to act together. Not in a bad way, but to come back on the socials and do what I need to do. God bless you, and like, comment, subscribe.